Yeah, no, you ain't no psycho. You're not like the others, no. No changing behaviors. Not sure how to act around you. So colorful and bright, yeah. I wanna be a 9 to 5. You made me come alive, babe. I wanna be the time of your life.
What up everybody, it's Tommy here, and today in my tutorial video I'm going to show you the fundamental basics of male striptease dancing and the dance style that male strippers do, basically. So it's made up of 4 components. The first one is body rolls. Now that's like torso body rolls, yeah? So body rolls that start from your chest or start from your head. However you want to do them, you can do body rolls in so many different ways with your hands coming down, okay? Body rolling. Or you can body roll and drop to the ground. That's the first fundamental part of male striptease dancing. As male strippers, you constantly see us doing body rolls to engage the girls in the crowd. It's sexy, it's a sexy dance move. And you can also do it when you're lap dancing somebody on a chair as well. So many ways that you can do the body rolls, and it's a very common thing seen with male strippers when they dance both on stage and at private parties, okay? So that's the first fundamental. Now, the second fundamental is hip grinding and thrusting movements. So everything that's happening from this hip area right here, that could be a grinding movement, okay? So from right, forward, left, back in a circular motion without us moving our torso and without us moving our legs really. We don't want to be moving our body with it like this. We want to isolate it in, yeah? And as you do this, you can style it however you like. And if you want to bring that male stripper vibe to your lap dance, to that real Magic Mike vibe, to, you know, that special somebody that you're going to be giving a lap dance to, then you need to be learning to demonstrate the body rolls. You know what I mean? Demonstrate the hip grinding, yeah? And the hip thrusting, a thrusting movement from the hips, okay? Really, really important one as well. Thrust, 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 thrust. Can be done in so many different ways. Can be done with a pump forward, a pump down, a pump in like this, yeah? A point like that, okay? Or it can even just be a step back, step, thrust, thrust, step, thrust, thrust, step, thrust, thrust. It can be mixed with so many dance moves as well. A chest roll, a body roll, and a thrust, thrust. They all go together like perfectly for striptease dancing. Now the third fundamental of striptease dancing is floor work. So you're gonna see male strippers always drop down to the floor and do a few little cool moves on the floor. It's great to demonstrate, I guess you could say, like the sex dance moves, the dance moves that basically just look like you're fucking the floor. It's a classic thing the male strippers to do, and no one else really does it. So it's definitely a male stripper fundamental dance move or concept that you've got to learn. Floor work can basically be defined as, I guess you could say, anything that's really on the floor. It's it can be traveling moves on the floor, so you can be moving forward from back towards the girls, just doing like an army crawling like this, or you could just be dragging yourself, yeah? Or you could be moving from one side to the other side. You could be doing a kind of a thrusting, popping movement like this. Or you could be doing a big body roll into the floor, starting with your chest and your head, going down nice and low and wide, okay, out with the hips, and then popping back up again and repeating. And it can also even mean things like knee slides and spin switches. Anything that can be like with your arm down here, doing all this kind of stuff. So that's